Christmas time is coming. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yeah, Santa Claus. Anyway, gold went up today. How much? $17 per ounce. It's above that $4,200 range. But again, to us, we don't tell you what to do. Gold has to solidify $4,260, $80 an ounce range for a couple of weeks before it goes up. If it goes below 3,900, 3,800 for a couple of weeks, it could go down to 3,500. And to us, that's the bottom of gold, 3,500. And silver went up $2.52 an ounce today, selling at 60.60. Yep, $60.60 an ounce.
In today's news recap, silver price soars past $60 for new record. Silver notched another record high on Tuesday as the precious metal continues to attract bids amid concerns over a market deficit. Spot silver rose as much as 3.6% to a new peak of $60.46 per ounce, keeping the momentum of a record-breaking rally that has lasted nearly 2 months. Driving this surge was a supply crunch caused by a historic squeeze that hit the London market in October. While that concern has eased in recent weeks, global supply remains tight, with Chinese inventories now hovering at their lowest in a decade. What do you think, you guys? Are you buying even more at these record prices? Also, behind the move was the expectation of a U.S. interest rate cut this week, which would be positive for safe haven assets such as gold and, by extension, silver. The white metal is getting a bid this morning alongside gold ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting, with the market pricing in near certainty of a 25 basis point cut, said Trevor Yates, a senior investment analyst at Global X ETFs. Silver first surpassed its October peak in a choppy trading session as a chaotic halt on the COMEX exchange in late November dried out liquidity. The holiday season and low physical trading in London's over-the-counter market also amplified price moves. Tuesday's rally takes silver past the $60 an ounce mark for the first time ever. The metal has now doubled in value this year, even surpassing the 60% gain seen in gold. Now smash the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you do not miss out our daily recaps, and check goldsilverstacks.com to get the Stacker's Handbook, the ultimate guide to trade the gold-silver ratio so you do not have to rely on market commentators to stack efficiently. Let's get back into the episode.
Anyway, on to the markets. Happy days are here again. The S&P closed relatively unchanged. The Nasdaq gained 0.13%, and the Dow fell about 180 points almost. Everybody's waiting for tomorrow. What's the Fed gonna do? We want more fucking cheap money. Lower the interest rates so we can get bigger, and we can get bigger, and we can fuck everybody up. All right? We just want to get bigger. I'm a Gates. I'm a Buffett. I'm a Musk. I'm a Bezos. I'm a billionaire. You're just a piece of shit. Oh, I'm Bezos. I married a chick with the fake tits and the one you can walk across. All right, we're all going to. All right. Where are the people? Where are the people to stand up? It does not take a majority to prevail, but rather an irate, tireless minority, keen on setting brush fires of freedom in the minds of men. Said Samuel Adams. We need a revolution, a peaceful revolution, to bring this country back to we the people. Not little fucking scumbag assholes that morons and imbeciles clap. I'm apologizing, right? Fuck off with your crap. Got it? Anyway, moving on to the markets. Let's see. Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin. It's going to be one of your top trends for 2026. It's Bitcon. You got it? It's a con game. Trump's kids, everybody, a guy just drive the fucking prices up. It's a con game. But If you want to invest in a con game that has a lot of con men in it, yeah, go your way, you know. I'm in it. I see it going up. Gold went up today. How much? $17 per ounce. It's, you know, it's above that $4,200 range. But again, to us, we don't tell you what to do. Gold has to solidify in the $4,260, $80 an ounce range for a couple of weeks before it goes up. If it goes below 3,900, 3,800 for a couple of weeks, it could go down to 3,500. And to us, that's the bottom of gold, 3,500. And silver, holy shit. Let's see. Went up $2.52 an ounce today, selling at $60.60. Yep. $60.60 an ounce. Could you believe this?
In today's news recap, central bank body BIS raises concerns of gold and stocks double bubble. The combination of gold and share prices soaring in unison is a phenomenon not seen in at least half a century and raises questions of a potential bubble in both. Global central bank umbrella body, the Bank for International Settlements, says. While equity markets continue to be driven by AI and tech gains, gold's 60% surge this year is set to be its biggest since 1979, fueling debate about whether its traditional role as a safe haven asset has changed. Gold has behaved very differently this year compared to its usual pattern. Hyun Song Shin, economic advisor and head of the Monetary and Economic Department at the BIS, said as it released its final report of the year on Monday. The interesting phenomenon this time has been that gold has become much more like a speculative asset. Dubbed the central bank to the world central banks, the BIS has given regular warnings about potential stock market bubbles in recent years, but its concern around the co-movement with gold is twofold. Where would investors shelter if stocks and gold both crash? And what could it mean for central banks and other reserve managers, given some have been heavy buyers of gold? The BIS's analysis concluded that this year has been the first time gold and the S&P 500 have jointly exhibited explosive behavior in the last 50 years. Now, smash the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you do not miss out our daily recaps, and check goldsilverstacks.com to get the Stacker's Handbook, the ultimate guide to trade the gold-silver ratio so you do not have to rely on market commentators to stack efficiently. Let's get back into the episode.
This is amazing. I would have never thought silver would have gone up like this. It's telling you how bad the geopolitical economic situation is. These are precious metals. The world is going to shit. And the only reason, the primary reason it's going to shit is because you got shitheads running the show in a country near you. So what else we got? The Trends Journal. Oh, I forgot about that. Almost. Whoa. One article after another. U.S. factory production declined again in November. U.S. regulators ditch rules restricting risky loans by banks. They're doing everything they can to prop up this market. Again, we only write the facts. There have been more than 1 million layoffs in America. Fuck you. We don't need you. Hey, I'm Jamie Dimon. Hey, don't you know who I am? Hey, we don't need you. And when AI is going to take over a lot more. So anyway, that's what you're looking at, just on some of the economic front that's going to get much, 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 much worse. Consumer sentiment, it perks up from dead lows, all right? It's up a tiny bit, but still very low. What else? Dollar stores are raking in the dollars. Dollar stores. You ever go to these fucking places? Look like shit. They look like shit. When I was a young guy, you know, Bloomingdale's, all these places my mom and Aunt Cookie used to take me to as a little kid. They were beautiful. Macy's, Gimbel's, gorgeous places, John Wanamaker's, and now shit shows. And their dollars are going up in dollar stores because people are broke, and they're going in there to buy the cheapest shit they could get. Breaks my heart. Breaks my heart to see how the scumbag politicians have destroyed this country and others. Because does Italian national bank's gold belong to the people? Again, a whole gold scam going on. Italy has a lot of gold, but it's very important. Gold to us is the future. Gold, silver, precious metals, number one. And again, scam going on, doing everything they can. China's phone makers are peeling away Apple's iPhone users. We note this because China's going to take over the world in the financial sector. As we said, the 20th century was the American century, but the 21st century is going to be the Chinese century because scumbag Bill Clinton brought them into the World Trade Organization. They came in officially after 2 weeks after 9/11. They didn't have the heavy industry, a high-tech industry before, but the Western countries went in there and gave them everything they never had. And now China's leading the world because the business of China's business, the business of America's war. Hey, we got to get the guy Maduro out of there. Hey, I'm Trump. I just won the FIFA Peace Award. Oh, I'm Trump. I just bombed Somalia 109 times this year. Hey, how about me? Oh, the draft dodger Trump. I got 5 draft funds. I sprained my ankle. I can't go fight. All right? Oh, the Trump that's stealing our money to give it to Israel for genocide war. You got it?
Do you agree with him? Are you still bullish in gold and silver? Is a massive collapse going to happen in 2026? Post in the comment section down below your honest opinion. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. And watch this video right here because it's a perfect fit for you. I'll see you on the other side.